Imagine for a moment that you're standing at the edge of existence itself. The vast, infinite cosmos stretches out before you, billions of stars, galaxies, and nebulae all intertwined in a delicate dance. But then, pause for a second, and ask yourself, why does this even exist? Welcome to a thought-provoking journey. Today, we're diving into a mind-bending question. Why shouldn't the universe exist? You see, from a scientific standpoint, the mere fact that the universe exists is, in itself, incredibly improbable. Let's start with the Big Bang. Around 13.8 billion years ago, everything that makes up our universe, matter, energy, space, time, emerged from an infinitely small point. It was an event of unfathomable energy, and the laws of physics as we know them were forged in that moment. But here's the twist. It almost didn't happen. If certain fundamental conditions were even slightly different, the universe could have failed to form at all. The balance between the force of gravity and the energy of the Big Bang had to be perfect. Too much gravity, and the universe would have collapsed in on itself before it ever expanded. Too little, and galaxies, stars, planets, everything we know would never have come to be. This is what's called the fine-tuning problem. There's a deeper philosophical question. Why is there something rather than nothing? Think about it. Nothingness seems like the default state. No space, no time, no matter, no energy. Why then is there an entire universe? Why does it even make sense for anything to be here at all? Some philosophers argue that the universe's existence defies the principle of sufficient reason, that everything should have an explanation. But the existence of the universe itself seems to lack a rational explanation. It's almost as if existence broke the rules. A universe emerging from absolute nothingness, without cause, without reason, is something that challenges everything we know about logic and reality. Then there's the nature of time itself. In a universe where time began with the Big Bang, the question arises, what was there before time? If time didn't exist, then how could the universe begin? Does the notion of before even apply? But perhaps the most chilling part of this idea is the paradox of existence. Our universe, despite its incredible complexity and beauty, is also a place filled with chaos, suffering, and uncertainty. From black holes to supernovae, from the cold vacuum of space to the inevitable death of stars, our universe is marked by an endless cycle of destruction. It's almost as if the universe, beautiful and mind-boggling as it is something that shouldn't have happened in the first place. And yet, here we are. Against all odds, the universe exists, and we exist within it, trying to make sense of it all. Perhaps the fact that the universe shouldn't exist makes it all the more profound. But maybe that's the greatest mystery. The fact that something exists at all, when nothingness seemed the more logical answer. So, next time you look up at the stars or contemplate the cosmos, remember this. The universe is not just improbable, it's a miracle that shouldn't be. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic journey into the improbable. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Does the universe make sense to you, or is it all just an accident of physics and fate? Until next time, keep questioning.